welcome back to the channel. This is Biggs Retouch Academy. My name is Biggs and welcome back to Photoshop. So today's video will be looking at how to change studio background, how to manipulate studio background, and I want this one to be quick because it's a beginner lesson. Alright, so we have our image right here and you can see it's a very beautiful image, and in changing studio background you need to make sure that something stand out, the subject actually stand out from the background, and you need to also take your shot so that it will make the image pop out whenever you switch background and also match the lightning easily. Okay, so that's what we are going to be doing, and if the lightning does not match, we are going to actually match it. So this is just the first step. Okay, so now what we need to do is to select the subject. So I'm going to come here, let's just duplicate, let's unlock this layer, Ctrl J to duplicate, and then go to select. Alright, so our subject is putting on white, so that will make it very easy for us. So you can actually zoom in and see if you selecting all. I'm just going to quickly select the ones that is not selected. So go down shift and then just copy a few things and make sure some things are present inside. So just for the tutorial, I'm just going to continue. Now what I just need to do is to hit Ctrl J. I'm going to duplicate the layer, and if you want to use the shadows, if you feel it's important, you can copy it as well, but let's see if it's important in the one we want to use. So I'm going to grab the background, let's bring up the background layer we're going to be using. So I'm using this, so I'm going to drag it into it, so you can see that immediately it's match up. Now there is no need for me to go around selecting all these because I already selected the subject, so it's already matching. Now you can see how easy it is because we have a matching subject to the background. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to crop it. Let's go to crop image, crop size, and I'm going to drag it to the left to remove all those things that are unnecessary, to deselect. Let's see what's going on there. The first one, yeah, clean. Okay, so now we have it. Here we go. So what we need to do next is, if it's not matching the background, which is matching already, and I'm just going to add a little contrast. Let me take this up, add some contrast, brightness and contrast, clip it to it and add contrast. Okay, so now it's red. We can even brighten the subject up to make it match the more. So here we go. Now we can erase. Let's take it out from this down part like this. Place a reflection. So let's do reflection, Ctrl J, and then I'm just going to come here, change the subject upside down like this, and hold down Ctrl, make this side and and just erase some part of, I don't want to see that. Yep, do something like this, and there we go with our reflection. So if you feel it's too much, you can actually clean and like that. So I like it like this, and that's all for